Welcome to the Summa Health Family Medicine Residency Akron Campus.
The reason why I chose Summa Health comes down to just one basic, simple thing. It's the culture and environment here.
The thing that I love most about my program would be the camaraderie.
I was able to see the residents and the attendings here, and it was just a big family.
I fell in love with the program for the people.
I have a very simple mission for this program, and it is to make the world a better place through patient care and education. We will be focusing on making you a competent physician who is able to lead healthcare teams in practice.
Our program has something that's called osteopathic recognition through the ACGME, which means that we train our residents in osteopathic medicine and osteopathic philosophy and treatment. I have a real passion about Summa and this program because from the minute I stepped into the Family Medicine Center as a student, it was a welcoming, supportive environment and a culture that really cared about the patients that they were serving. It's the culture that made me want to be a resident here from the very start, and a culture that has kept me here for 10 plus years.
I think you should come to Summa Health for several reasons. One, there's a welcoming culture in all of the places that you will do your rotations in the hospital and elsewhere. The other one is, if you have a special interest, we will do what we can to adapt the curriculum to meet your needs. When I think about the future, I'm very excited. We are going to be integrating telehealth more into what we're doing. We're going to be doing more team-based care. And when we use our teams, we're going to be using them to do population health management, which means we will use the data that we have available, the teams we have available, to make sure that we deliver the chronic disease care and preventive care to our patients that they need.
I know that we're not able to have face-to-face contact as frequently this year. That is the thing that drew me here when I was a med student, and being able to see the place and live the culture. And I can tell you that it's something you'll love if you have the opportunity to train here.
I definitely came in thinking, oh man, it's residency, it's gonna be really hard, stressful, but that really wasn't the case for me. We had a great support system every step of the way. Family medicine, we rotate through a bunch of different rotations, anywhere from surgery to OB-GYN, and I really felt like I had great support throughout it.
The faculty in family medicine prioritize our well-being and our mental health, and I'm so grateful for it.
The attendings they're easily approachable, they're always welcoming, they want you to ask them questions.
The nice thing about this program is they really seek out whatever your interests are. Everyone in the program has different interests, and they find ways to push you towards that. So I know for myself, who's interested in academics, they helped me find a fellowship, they helped me find ways to teach medical students.
My goal is to actually go right out into practice. So I have another year left, and I'm actually thinking about staying here in Northeast Ohio. I love it so much. I'm originally from Philadelphia, and I moved out here 3 years ago. So Ohio is definitely family oriented.
Lots of other residents live around me, which I find is great, just to be able to hang out outside of work on that type of basis. And yeah, there's tons of stuff to do. If you like nature, there's so many parks, it's insane. Hiking trails, biking trails, it's just beautiful to live in.
Looking back about my decision to choose Summa, I have no regrets. I am over the moon happy with my decision. I absolutely love my choice here.
As far as having a family away from family, that's exactly what I've had here for the past 3 years.
Deciding where to go for residency is not an easy decision for anyone. People always want to know, if you had to make the same decision, would you make the same decision? And without hesitation, I would do so.
Come join the Summa family.
Come join the Summa family.
Come join the Summa family.